is for 3 people. And this is the first time this game is being performed on the Bluebird Improv stage. Making its debut is, Threeway dub.
Hi guys, my name's Iana and welcome to Threeway Dub. I'm being voiced by Julian!
Hello, Leong Hall! I'm Julian and I'm being voiced by the amazing Terry!
Yeah!
What's up? It's the one and only Terry. C-E-R-R-Y and I am being dubbed by the most amazing, the smartest, the coolest person I know, Iana. And we're today three-way dub. So we need some help, from you guys. This is an improv show. So guys, I want you to look into your hearts, into your minds, and tell us what was the reason for your last breakup. No. It's time. It's time to be vulnerable. It's a safe space. Catholic Church. Super loud, super enthusiastic, we love it. This is Threeway Dub with the Catholic Church.
Oh my God, not another day teaching all of the students that want to be a priest. More days pass by as I read the Bible over and over again. John, Luke, Mark, at this rate they will be my exes as I work with them.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry for being late. My trike crashed into a car outside of Saviorville.
Ikaw, you're the late one today. Of all days, the exam. Oh, I have prepared so much for this. You know, the superintendent of the school, now of the church, will be here. Si principal priest.
Hello, mga pare. Hello, mga estudyante na gusto maging pare. It is I, the superintendent, Father Mr. Peace. And I came here for a special visit. I heard this was the most important exam. The one about the Gospels. There are so many. So, Father Josh, kamusta ang curriculum? Kamusta ang mga estudyante?
Sir, so the thing is, we've had one enlister, and this is the enlister, now late. Si Pablo. Pablo right here is one of our brightest students. Pero, na-late lang siya. What do you think? Is it very priestly of him?
Well, that's a bit unfair because life has an unexpected way of popping into things. And I think it's more important for us to be adaptable to our future. And so, as the only enrollee in this school, I am going to top the boards of priesthood.
Father Josh John. I feel like one of our most important teachings in the church, is it not forgiveness? Look at this student. Look at this child. They are so sad. Pablo is so sad that they're late. And God brought them here at this time for a reason. We must trust in the plan of the Lord. He made it safe, and that's what matters. Don't you think, Father John Josh?
Don't you think so, sir? Father Priest, whatever your name is.
Mr. Superintendent, Pablo, and again, priest, sir. Yes. I feel the power of God flowing through me. And you know what? He said it's time. It's time for you to pass. The quiz lang.